Hi friends, welcome to VSR Tech Info. This is VS Rao. In this video, I am going to show you a micro soldering station unboxing. Earlier, I was using Soldron 25 watt 230 volt AC soldering iron. Now, I am going to show you the unboxing of this Max 550 Max Gold soldering station unboxing video. This soldering station is from Max 550 micro soldering station. It's a very successful product used by professionals as well as hobbyists. This soldering station operates on 12 volts DC and no leakage in the AC voltage as the product functions on 12 volt circuit, unlike the Soldron which operates on 230 volts AC. This is fully shockproof product and comes in plastic cabinet. Low voltage soldering pen which is ESD safe. This gives results like 15 watt iron and saves energy by 53%. This soldering station is mainly used to rework on the assembly components. Soldering and desoldering both are possible with this soldering station. Online, this product is little bit costly compared to local market. I have purchased this from the local market. Now let us open the product. This is the soldering pen with sharp tip and a plastic case. This is the soldering station. The cabinet is made of plastic which is having a stand for keeping the soldering iron. This comes with a on off switch and a temperature control knob. Written here Max 550. This is powered with 230 volt AC supply as an input, and for the pan 12 volt DC is given from this outlet. The tip is ESD safe and the temperature can be varied from 65 degrees to 450 degrees. I will be switching on the power to this micro soldering station. This is the on off switch, powered on now, and I will increase the temperature slightly from 65 degrees. It can be controlled up to 450 maximum, as I told you. This soldering iron will be heated very fast compared to the other soldering iron. As you can see, the flux is getting melted. You may be seeing the fumes coming out. The solder started getting melted. The specifications of this Max 550 micro solder station are: wattage can be varied from 5 to 15 watts. The technology is tip heating, electric shock proof, soft handle for perfect balancing, KDM bit which is long lasting, heat proof handle. It is ESD safe with no leakage in the AC voltage as product runs on 12 volt DC. This fully shock proof cabinet which is plastic cabinet and gives result like 5 to 15 watt soldering iron which saves energy. As per the need, set the temperature with the control knob provided. Soldering station helps in soldering and desoldering. This is very good product for both professionals and electronic hobbyists.